Welcome back, Price Pandas. I'm Lily Rose.
And I'm Jocelyn Julie. So Lily, how was your spring break?
It was awesome. I went to Camelot with my friends. What did you do?
I went with my family to go see Avengers Endgame. It was the best movie ever.
That sounds like fun. Let's get started. First up, we have Paw Park and Sally Star to remind us about our recycling club.
Hi there, Price Pandas. It's Sally Star.
And I'm Paul Park. We wanted to remind everyone of the opportunity to get involved with the recycling club.
All you have to do is drop off your recyclable items on Thursday morning. The recycling club was formed to raise money for our school and, of course, to help the earth.
On Thursdays, you can bring in cans, plastic jugs, and even juice pouches.
Remember, scholars, it is never too late to participate.
Back to you.
Make sure you recycle, pandas.
Next up, we have Brittany Brunette and Jackie J to give us a recap of our Meet the Author Assembly.
Hey Price Pandas, I'm Jackie J.
And I'm Brittany Brunette. On Wednesday, May 1st, 2nd through 6th graders attended an assembly where they got to meet a children's book author.
Scott Sussman recently received an award for the book Fred and the Monster.
He has been writing since he was in elementary school and wrote his first book, Silly the Seed, at 20 years old.
Mr. Sussman is now 48 years old and lives in Carlsbad. He believes there are 6 keys to success.
1. Believe in yourself. 2. Manage your time wisely. 3. Prioritize your commitments.
4. Set long and short-term goals. 5. Listen and follow directions. And 6. Have fun.
Back to you.
That was fun. Now we are going to take a quick commercial break.
Great job on the SBAC.
Thanks, I'm so happy it's over.
Yeah, me too.
You guys are so lucky you finished the SBAC.
I wish we were there. We're still in the middle of it.
Well, here's some advice for when you take the test.
Well, the first tip is to make sure you get a good night's sleep beforehand. And also make sure you get a good and healthy breakfast.
Be on time and don't stress.
So I guess a dozen donuts isn't a good idea.
Thanks, guys.
And you should all do the same.
Welcome back. Now we have Julie Jane and Jenny Jones to recap a recent field trip our scholars went on.
Hello, Price Pandas. I'm Jenny Jones.
And I'm Julia Jane. Did you enjoy listening to the amazing music at the Pacific Symphony? I know I sure did.
We have the Class Act program here at Price. 2nd through 6th grade went to visit the Seeger Storm Center.
Our composer of the year was Tchaikovsky. He composed several incredible symphonies that are both inspiring and very fascinating.
Some of our students even sat at the front row. We hope you had a very memorable time. Back to you.
It was cool learning about Tchaikovsky.
Now that the school year is wrapping up, 100% on GG and AR is approaching. Check to see where you are at. That's all for this segment of the Panda Paw News.
And as Ellen DeGeneres always says, be kind to one another. Bye.